guys, so here I'm going to burp the alphabet. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, X. Now I know A, B, C, with me. So that's for tonight's video. So see you later. Sorry, my brother was jumping over. You want to see him? This is him.
It's my channel, Lucas.
Sorry, he just flicked me. So that's for today's show. See you later.